Well, it's the 50th anniversary, so it's been going for 50 years this year. It's an amazing race. It's in the middle of Australia. It's something that probably a lot of people don't really know about. It's the easy way to describe it. It's like a Bathurst 1000. The town, Alice Spring, absolutely quadruples in population. We all camp around there. One of the nights earlier in the week, we actually take all the vehicles, motorbikes into town. We put on a massive display so the town comes alive. But then the beauty about it is that 226 kilometres of dirt track, a lot of people go down and do campsites. So again, it's like Bathurst. You've got your traditional campsite that you go second, third, fourth generations have been in that one spot. It's the same as the Finke Rally. You get up early in the morning, you watch the pro buggies and the trophy trucks go through. Then it's the bikes, they go after all the cars. And then again, you have a good night, have your barbecue, probably have a few beers, and then you watch them all return the next day. So it starts at Alice Springs, it goes down to a town called Finke. We call it Finke, it's called Apachula. It's 226 kilometres of dirt road. There is a service road that goes alongside it, so people can actually drive alongside the racetrack, but it's all about dunes and mounds and hills and a whole heap of different terrain. Some parts of it is actually quite rocky, it's not all sand, but it's a race that people love to go, especially if you're an off-roader and you love racing in dirt and the middle of nowhere. Definitely that's what the Finke's all about. What makes it an epic adventure or a challenge for drivers? It's like, I suppose you look at the Dakar, you look at Baja, and of course we've got Finke. So it's sort of in that sort of family of off-roading. It's really a challenging race. As I said, 226 kilometres one way. You've got to get down there, you do prologue, you go down to Apachula, you have a night down there. It's like a scene out of Mad Max, probably the easiest way to describe it. Middle of nowhere. We service the cars, the buggies, the bikes, whatever you are running, and then of course the return, the run home on the Monday. It's that return run home sets basically the podium. So you do your prologue, set your obviously starting time, you drive down to Apachula, you get your lap time or your stage time, and then that really sets you up for the run home. Now, you might be fourth on the way down, but it's a matter of who gets back first. So it doesn't matter what happens in your combined times, it's literally the run home from Apachula back to Alice, and that's the exciting part.
Try to adapt that, try to be smarter, try to make the truck be more compliant over those sort of whoops.
If you get a longer one and run it down to the shop down here.
Make it super at Supercheap Auto.